Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start our exercise 3rd of our 3rd chapter, negative numbers and integers. So question number first is find the quotient. So question number first part, that is -8 divided by 4. So before doing this you have to know, if we are dividing two positive numbers then our result will be positive only. If we are dividing two negative numbers, then our result will be negative only. If we are dividing one positive number and one negative number, then always our result will be negative. In this case, before doing this, you have to know, if we are dividing a positive number with positive number, our result will be positive. If we are dividing a negative number by a negative number, our result will be positive. If we are dividing positive number with negative number, then our result will be negative. If we are dividing negative number by some positive number, our result will be again negative. This you have to know before solving the questions. So question number first is -8 divided by 4. So we can write it like this also. Here will be -8. So quotient you can write here. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 4 2 ja 8 you can write here, and you have to know that minus that negative number divided by some positive number. So result will be negative only. So it will be 4 2 ja 8, -8 it will be. So what we will do, we will add here. So it will be cancel out and it will be 0. So what will be our answer? That will be -2. Or same way, one more part I am doing here, that is third part is -20 divided by -4. Now you know that if a negative number is divided by negative number, our result will be positive. This also you can write like this, -20. That's your choice. You can do like this also or like this also. -20 divided by -4. Now negative it will become positive, and 4 5 ja 20. This will be your answer. That's your choice how you are writing, like this or like this. Now come to question number second, that is write true and false for the following statements. First is 0 divided by -9 is equal to 0. Now we can write it like 0 upon -9. You know that if we are dividing 0 by some positive number or some negative number, our result will be 0 only. If in denominator, or if we are dividing by any positive integer, then our result will be 0. But if a case is like this, -9 divided by 0, so we can write it like this, -9 upon 0. 0 is in denominator, so it will be not defined. This you will remember, that if denominator in 0 means, if in denominator 0 is there, then it will be not defined. If denominator is some positive and negative number, then it will be 0. Now one more part I will do here. So what is the question? That is write true and false for the following statements. For this it will be 0, so it will be true. Now second part is -35 divided by 0 is equal to 0. So you know that we can write it like -35 upon 0. I said that in denominator there should be no 0. If 0 is, then it will be not defined, or we can't calculate it. So it will be true? No, it will be false statement, because it will be not defined. That's why we can't calculate it. Now come to third part, that is -72 divided by -8 is equal to -9. You know that minus divided by minus, so our sign should be plus. Simply you can write here false statement it is, because our answer should be positive. Fourth part, 27 divided by -1 is equal to minus 27. You know that if we are dividing a positive number with some negative number, result will be negative only, and we are dividing with 1, so it will be true. Fifth part, minus 63 divided by minus 1. So negative numbers are, so is equal to minus 63. So negative divided by negative number, so our result should be positive, but here it is negative, so it will be a false statement. Now come to question number 3rd, that is name two integers whose product is, question number 3rd is you have to name two integers whose product is minus 18. We have to write here integer into integer is equal to 18, whose product is, we have to write here two integers whose product is minus 18. So what integer can be, you know that 9 to the 18, so minus sign, so what can be, either 9 can be negative or 2 can be negative. Here I am writing 2, so 9 to the 18 minus 18 it will be. So two integers are 9 and minus 2. Or another, what integer other than these two numbers, what other integer can be, you know that 6 3 ja 18. Now negative sign you need, so what you can do, you can put negative in 6 or in 3. So I am writing a minus 3, so it will be again, this can be also your answer, this also can be your answer. To name two integers whose product is minus 18 and whose quotient is minus 2. And now second case is whose quotient is minus 2. So how the quotient will become minus 2? If we are dividing 18, minus 18 divided by 9. So what will be our quotient? You can write it like this, minus 18 upon 9. So it will be equal to 9 to the 18. So minus 2 will be your quotient in this case. Another case can be minus 20 divided by minus 10. This also can be your answer, because 20 upon 10 you will write minus 10, 10 to the 20, minus 2 will be your answer. This also can you write, or this also, that like this you can solve this one. Now come to MCQs. Question number 4. Which quotient is greatest? You have to find out which quotient is greatest. First one is minus 8 divided by minus 2. B is minus 10 divided by 5. C is minus 10 divided by minus 5. And D is minus 15 divided by minus 5. You have to find out which quotient is greater. So how you will do, just see here, answer will be positive. 8 4 ja means plus 4, in this case plus 4 will be your answer. In this case you can check 5 2 ja 10, minus 2 will be your answer. In this case you can check plus 5 2 ja means plus 2 will be your answer. In this case plus 5 3 ja 15, so plus 3 will be your answer. So which quotient is greater? Obviously plus 4 is greater among all, so A option will be correct. Now come to question number 5. Which of these expression checks the solution to the division problem minus 8 divided by minus 2 is equal to 4? See, you have to find out here which of these expression checks the solution for the division problem. This one, see, that is 2 4 8, means the answer will be this one. So which is the same like this? So A option is minus 8 into minus 2. B is 4 into 4. C is minus 2 into 2. And D is 4 into minus 2. So which one will be? See, 4 should be our answer. 4 4 just 16, it will be not. So 2 2 just 4, minus 4 it will be again not our answer. So which one can be? 8 2 just 16, it will be again not. Which of these expressions checks the solution of the division problem? Okay, we have to check that. How we can check? So we can write it like this: minus 8 upon minus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 to 8, 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2, it will be our checking answer, means D option will be correct. Why? Because we can write it like minus 8 upon minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we can check it. Minus 8, this here in division, after going here it will be multiplied with 4. So our answer will be D, 4 into minus 2.